Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Demolitions Expert set 60073 from 2015 to 2016. As you can see, get this mobile toilet. And also there are two minifigures in this set. And also you get these safety ratings. Also you can fold the flaps of the service truck up and down. And also this crane can move to lift the portable toilet up. And this would make a nice addition to LEGO City for a construction site. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.